is here. So yeah, what's up guys? So the new Apple announced the new AirPods 3, Generation 3. These was rumored to come out like a year ago or so, whatever. But so let's go ahead and see what we got. Yeah, so I got home. Here they go. So I got home from work and I was tired. Package was just sitting there. Like, damn, I got the new AirPods. I'm tired. I'm just going to do this tomorrow. So here they go. And let's compare the box, the new AirPods to the old. With MagSafe. They kind of like the same size. But anyways, I know y'all not here to see a box. So yeah, these AirPods here, these really came in handy, and I did pick up the AirPods Pro, but I'm not a fan of the silicone tips. Really not. So I like the sound quality of the Pros, really good. So when I found out that these were going to have kind of like the same design of the Pros without the silicone tip, like, hey, all right, there we go. See what we have in here. Just a little paperwork, activation. So I can't wait to see how these sound. And one thing that I did like about the Pros over the regular original AirPods was like the stem, how you can control your music and go forward and go back with on the stem, as opposed to the original where you can just like pause and play and that's it. But if you have an Apple Watch, then you can do all the controls there. And then cable, USB-C to Lightning. So it's pretty, I can just use one charger if you got the iPhone 12 or whatever. Let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna, since I got Face ID enabled, I'm going ahead and do that off camera, but just show you a quick comparison. So it's kind of like, it's the same size as the original AirPod case, it just flipped vertically. So yeah, that was my unboxing for the AirPods 3. I'm gonna set this up and listen to some music, see how the sound quality is, and hopefully I will enjoy them. So if you enjoyed my video, comment if you're picking these up. Are you passing? Are you a fan of AirPods or not? Like and subscribe, and until the next time, see y'all later.